I'm the baker at an inn, and today was a brutal Monday. It started out normal. I got to work early. It was a beautiful winter day, and I got some quiche in the oven. I'd actually already prepped today's coffee cake, so I didn't have to make it, so I immediately started on some limpa bread. The quiche today was ham, spinach, pepper, and cheese, and I always get served with a muffin, so I started on some cherry muffins with a streusel topping to go with those. Then I started on a little half batch of dinner rolls, which takes a lot less time to proof. My muffins came out of the oven. Everything was smooth sailing at this point, but then it took a turn for the worse when my quiche came out of the oven. I have made quiche so many times since I've worked here, and today was the first day that one of the quiches fell apart when I was taking it out of the pan. So one of the quiches was totally fine, and the other one I could only serve about half of it, and half of it went to the staff. I then started working on a quick pie crust to make another chocolate chip cookie pie, which has been selling super well, so this was actually a backup. I put my pie crust in the refrigerator for a little bit while I prepped out some sugar cookie dough. I did a double batch of this and then split it into 4 equal parts. So 2 of these ended up going in the freezer, and then 2 of them are going in the refrigerator so I can roll them out in the next few days to make some cutout cookies. I then finished making my chocolate chip cookie pie. This is a recipe I'm going to share pretty soon on my subscriber page because I have tweaked the ratios for the ingredients a few times and finally found one that I liked. It was time to roll out all of my dinner roll dough. I'm still listening to The Frozen River on audiobook while I do this, which I like it, but it's kind of a frustrating book. Then the real disaster of the day happened. You guys know I've made limpa bread hundreds of times, and I always proof it in a water bath. And for the first time ever, the bowl turned over in the water bath and took on a lot of water. It was like a freaking dough shipwreck. This broke my heart to throw out. I hate wasting ingredients, but I could not salvage this dough. We proofed this in a water bath because the bowl was actually too big to fit in our proof box, and it's never been an issue before, and today was the day that it just did not go right. I mixed the liquid for the bread again so that we could make bread tomorrow, and then my Toll House cookie pie came out, and I worked on some inventory. Luckily, my bread rolls looked beautiful, and that was it. Follow for more.